Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're in my 2024 Tesla Model 3 Long Range All-Wheel Drive, and we're on our way to the Tesla Center because I scheduled a 1-hour demo drive with a Model S. So if you guys don't know, I did drive a Model S Plaid on Turo. It was a 2024, so it was very similar to the latest one that they have now. And the car was cool, but the steering wheel, the yoke steering wheel, honestly ruined the whole driving experience for me. I don't know how it would really feel to drive a Model S with that stupid steering wheel. Because that half a steering wheel, when you have 1,000 horsepower, you want to be able to actually grip the steering wheel and feel where you're going. And that yoke was only good if you're going in a straight line. You can't take corners or anything, and parking lots are annoying. So what I'm hoping for is that I'll be able to drive a Model S. I don't care if it's a long range or a Plaid. Obviously, I prefer a Plaid, but the long range is still like 670 horsepower, so it's still plenty. But I want to drive the Model S to see what it's like with a normal steering wheel, see how it rides, see how the space feels, and see if a Model S is a car I'll consider after this one. Now, if I got a Model S, it'd probably be a used one, honestly, because the new ones are a little too expensive, especially with like the depreciation and everything. So I'd probably get like a 2 or 3 year old one, with like 30,000 miles or whatever. All right, guys, change of plans. We are in a Model 3 Performance, because this is another one I'm considering after my lease is up, and we're gonna see how this does. Because the Model S, apparently the one that they had for demo, sold last night, apparently, so we're just in standard mode right now. So this should be similar to like my dual motor. Yep, that feels very similar to my dual motor. But the main thing I want to check to see is how the suspension feels, because the main difference between the Performance is obviously the Performance, and then it should handle and the suspension should feel a little different. So we have the handling in Sport, so it's kind of on the stiffer side. Let's go to Standard. Steering weight is in Standard. Okay. Now this one obviously has the warp wheels, which are 20 inches, so they're pretty big wheels. Even in Standard, it feels really good. I mean, it feels like my dual motor. Oh, this is fun. So yeah, I want to get to an area where I can do some handling tests, because that's what I want to see how that feels. Because sometimes mine, when I'm driving it fast around like corners and stuff, it can have like a lot of body roll and feel a little, unstable. But we'll put ourselves in insane mode because we don't need standard mode. Steering, we'll leave it in standard, that's fine. This is a 2026, so this trim is darkened out because I think it would reflect off the sun, so they changed that for 26. It has a turn signal stock instead of on the steering wheel. I don't care either way. I got used to the steering wheel one, so it doesn't matter. Buttons feel a little different. They click in a little bit better, which I kind of like that as well. This one does feel, I don't know why, but it does feel like more like, oh, I know why, because they're lower to the ground. Yeah, the Model 3 Performance is a little bit lower to the ground. Cause I feel like I'm a little like more hunkered in this one. Ooh. Yeah, that's definitely faster than my dual motor. Oh man, that's nice. You can feel a little, it's kind of nice too. It kind of allows you to do a little bit of slippage. Steering wheel still feels good. The Model 3 steering wheel is great. You can definitely feel it's fast. Okay, I don't know why the wipers went off. Let's go like this and then turn them off. Okay, there we go. That's fun. You can just get up and out of the way real quick. Regenerative braking feels about the same as mine. This suspension does feel a little different. I can tell the difference. On the stock wheels, this suspension doesn't feel like it's necessarily softer than my dual motor. If anything, it feels a little stiffer. But again, it could just be the wheels. Let me try the Sport suspension again and see how that feels. Let's see, Dynamics, Sport. turn-in is a lot better than mine, that's for sure. This one definitely feels like it handles better. Oh yeah, that's nice. It points and shoots. Okay, going over some rough road here. Yeah, feels fine. Ooh. This thing is fast. It feels so much more like, it feels so much more like instant than mine. I mean, obviously it's faster, but see, having this as a daily would just ruin you. I mean, mine has ruined me, and you know how quick my dual motor is. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'd probably get in trouble with this. Actually, you know what? I drive my dual motor like a maniac, and I haven't gotten in trouble yet. It's just, it feels so nice. Like, it does feel a little bit more like, I love how it's lower to the ground. Obviously, as you guys know, if you watch my channel, I have a M2 and a Supra, so I kind of like sports cars, right? Low to the ground. And this feels great. The seats are different too, so you guys can see the seats are a lot more bolstered. They look a little cooler. Yeah, the steering is nice though. Like, I definitely need to get to an area where I can test some handling. Yeah, this is nice. Oh, it's so weird. Like, I can literally notice, I know I mentioned it a million times, but I can literally notice how this car is lower to the ground. Like, I can notice that. Visibility is great. Obviously, it's just like my Model 3. Everything else is pretty much the same. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna try a little 0 to 60 test, because on these demo cars, they have it limited to 85 miles an hour. But we'll see what we do 0 to 60 here real quick. So we got insane mode, nothing crazy, not changing any settings.
30, 60.
Oh, just a quick little 3.0 0 to 60, like nothing. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. And if you count the 1 foot rollout, then you're right there at the 2.8, 2.9. Just like nothing. Oh yeah, I kind of need one of these. And guys, I took a little corner off camera because I am holding the camera, so it's kind of hard to really get a feel for it. But I took a corner off camera, and let me tell you, this thing handles so much better than my dual motor. Ooh. Oh, there's police over here. Guys, the handle. Okay, let me try this here. Try taking this corner here. Oh yeah. Oh, the handling. Okay. Because I like driving fast, and with driving fast, doing like quick corners and stuff, that is nice. And I think the Model S would not have that same level of handling. This car just feels good. All right, we're going to try another 0 to 60 here. Because why not? All right, let's say you're just chilling. You need to take off.
30, 60.
Oh, a 3.02, just like nothing. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna run into that situation just like last time, where, you know, I consider a bunch of different daily drivers. You know, I consider, you know, some gas-powered cars, maybe going back to a Golf R again, this and that. And everything always leads me back to, everything always leads me back to the freaking Tesla. Like, it's so good. I probably should have got one of these from the beginning, because this is like exactly what I want. It's literally my Model 3, everything I love about mine. I mean, the seats are not as comfortable, but it's literally everything I love about mine, but better. It has better handling, it has better speed, 0 to 60, and, you know, it's a little bit lower to the ground. Like, it's literally everything I love about mine and more. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think I should get like one of these used, or try to get like a new one? I love how you can hear more like whine too. Like, you know, us as car guys, we like some sound. And this one obviously doesn't make sound of an engine, but it does make some nice little whirring noises. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see how the brakes are, because that was a little issue with mine, is the brakes aren't the greatest. Let's see. Okay. They're still not that great. Probably could benefit from some, I don't know, maybe some bigger rotors or something. I'm okay with the turn signal stock. I mean, that's cool too. I'm used to either one, so the turn signal stock or on the steering wheel, either way, doesn't matter to me. Alright guys, check this baby out. The Performance has this really cool bumper. Obviously the Performance warp style wheels. It's lower to the ground. The wheel gap looks a little bit better. Obviously it has those nice seats. I mean, I wouldn't pick the white, but I like the little Performance badge in the seats. Same headlights and everything as mine. That looks to be all the same. The spoiler, which I really like as well, makes the back end look a lot better. Makes it look a little bit more complete. And then obviously you mean business when you have the badge on the back. But yeah, this is this will probably be the next daily. For you guys that don't like the Tesla content, I'm sorry, but they're just too good. And the value is there with these. Beautiful car. That takes off so quick, you don't even know what happened. Alright guys, one thing I want to test with you guys is the rolling power. So once we get to an area where we can go to like 55, I want to see how it takes off from like rolling. So I know these are extremely fast from 0, but let's see how it feels in terms of like once we're already going. 55, let's see how the roll speed is. Oh yeah, the roll speed's still really good. I hit that limiter that they set on these real fast. Yeah, it still feels stronger than mine in a roll, obviously, as it should. Stereo works good too. One thing I forgot to mention, the backup camera actually looks different. The cameras up there look a little different, and then if you put it in drive, you get the front camera now. So that is actually really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed my video on this Model 3 Performance. I really liked it. Every time I drive one, I really like it. If you did, just give this video a like, subscribe, share your thoughts on the Model 3 Performance in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.